Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everybody. Hey, look, if you want to save money on my Breath is Life course and my stress management course, now is the time of the year. Click in the description box below and you will save. Hey guys, Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut, here with my man Barbaro, high-level Czech practitioner, sports fitness, holistic health professional. And so Barbaro and I have known each other for almost 10 years. I took him to the Amazon and he's an all-around good guy and knowledgeable guy. So Barbaro, let's talk about gut health today. What we see out there in the world today with this coronavirus lockdown, you got election fiasco, you got all sorts of elements, and then I see on the internet people are typing things, people are losing their cookies. And so the gut health is directly related to the brain health, and 70% of the American people are obese or overweight when the integrity of the gut, the alignment of the mind, the mouth, and the gut is out of bounds, meaning you have a distended stomach. That usually means proliferation of fungus, dysbiosis, gut dysfunction, if you will. So reel it in for us, Barbaro. How does the gut-brain connection affect cognitive function and right thinking, if you will?
Okay, well, like you said, most people are losing their cookies. A lot of them have actually already lost them. But the good news is that they could actually get them back if they tried to. So the gut, obviously the gut is pretty much the first brain. You know, if your gut's shitty, your brain's shitty. You know, straight up. And so you have all these people with, you know, poor gut function through diet, mainly, and that's going to come out in their cognitive function. So what's going to happen is, as you have poor decision making, poor ability to think for yourself, more susceptible to buying into bullshit, and the way to fix that is to start repairing the gut, and your brain will improve a little bit just by doing that. And then, of course, beyond that, there's some mind stuff you need to work on as well. But yeah, it's all connected. The more bad bacteria you have in the gut, the more bad programs you're going to have in the brain. And, you know, you're going to be spinning in a circle until the gut's solved.
And this is a chicken before the egg kind of thing as well. So, Barbaro, why don't you go into a little bit of you know, corporate ideas around grain healthy diets, fat-free diets, vegetable oils. Like, how do we mess up the gut? How do we buy the idea of, oh wow, these foods may be digestible for human consumption? What were we sold when it came to cereals, grains, vegetable oils, sugar, fake sugar, high fructose corn syrup from genetically modified materials? I mean, what happened?
Yeah.
Reel it back in. Let's go back in history a little bit.
Well, we were sold a bunch of shit, basically, to destroy the gut. And
it was all scientifically validated too, right?
These people aren't scientifically retarded, obviously. So what they'll do is they'll feed you a bunch of food, you get your gut all messed up. And they know by just doing that alone, not only will you be sick, you'll also be easily mind programmable. And you know, it all starts with what you eat. That's a big part of it. And they know if they got people there, they can get them anywhere.
I mean, I was sold Captain
Crunch. That's just the first level,
right,
of this whole thing. That's the real basic level of it. And
the first level of the whole thing. Are you trying to say this is a giant conspiracy to enslave humanity?
Well, it's not really what I'm trying to say. It's just, you know, when you look around and the more studying you've done, you just see it.
Yeah, there's a
little bit beyond theory at this point. Yeah, it's not no crazy conspiracy idea to think that a corporation would do whatever the hell it can to improve its profits and control you. So it's just
make you a customer for life.
Every corporation is about control and money, mainly control.
So, and most people don't realize Paul Chek wrote a great book called Under the Veil of Deception.
Yeah, that was good.
Where you have the agribusiness chemical companies also well diversified into the pharmaceutical corporations, the media corporations. They are invested in tobacco, and they're invested in smoking cessation programs. So you've got...
And then a lot of them are also invested into crappy supplements to try and improve your health.
Right. So it's
basically taking another drug.
Right. It's the old allopathic model, this for that.
Yeah, so like we said, it's not stupid, people or whatever they are in control of all of that.
This is intelligent psychology.
And you got to give them their credit. They've done a hell of a job, but it's reversible. So
yeah, the thing is that have more faith in humanity, have more faith in yourself, that you're smarter than just some evil Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde mad scientists, trying to bamboozle you out of your birthright of health, trying to bamboozle you out of your money, trying to make you a slave to the whole, triple bottom line. So, yeah, so there's a gut-brain connection, guys. And
it's very real.
If you're not healthy, if you've got blown out guts, you're a mark. You are marked, and they want your money. And if they don't get it on the food front end, or the sugar bonbon front end, or whatever Pringles, Fire Cheetos, McDonald's they're trying to sell you, then they're gonna get you on the pharmaceutical back end, right? They're gonna try and treat your pain, treat your symptoms with more toxic compounds that have toxic effects on the human body. Side effects, which drugs are sold, contact your doctor and ask if this is right for you. And erectile dysfunction or even death, ask your doctor if this is right for you. That's kind of how the commercials go. So just open up your mind, guys. You're watching Certified Health Nut videos. Get into as many programs as I can to open up your mind. We hike the mountains here. We teach programs. We have Man Clan. We have my nutritional online program. We have my breathwork course, all the fundamentals so that you can get your mind right ultimately. Mind and body are the same thing. Mind-body integration, mind-body connection.
Yeah, once that's right, you're pretty much uncontrollable at that point.
So you're dangerous. Health, being healthy in today's world is a revolutionary act. So tune up your gut, get on my nutrition program, holler at Barbaro. Barbaro's on the team working with me. Holler at any of my team, Miguel, Curtis, Joseph. We got an army of wellness warriors. Andy Mills out in the UK, Ezra out in Holland, Lewis Dutch, Mr. Nick Jones, the NLP teacher that works in the juvenile justice system. I got an army of wellness warriors. Miss Health Nut, we're ready to take on everything and take you to the promised land. So thanks for enjoying. What's that?
Gotta build up the army, right?
That's it. And they're coming online. Join the Man Clan, the whole nine. And so, yeah, guys, I appreciate you. Keep tuning in. Keep doing your work. Keep getting that stomach svelte, because that is indicative of your gut microbiome being online. Your brain is only as good as the blood it is sitting in. And so if it's contaminated with microwave packaged Dayglow crap, Captain Crunch, Pop-Tarts, and TV dinners made in the 70s, designed in the 70s, if this is your human design for your health program, then you're fucked. So get on the programs, click the link in the description box below, come out to a Man Clan. I'll see you guys soon. Peace and love to everyone out in cyberspace. Woo! How choppy did that come out? Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and then check in the description box. All the programs that I have to take your health and consciousness to the next level is in the link below.